Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to accept payments using Kabbage payments. Alright, it's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. I'm just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is gonna be to sign up for Kabbage payments. Now, if you haven't already, you're gonna need to sign up for Kabbage payments through your Kabbage account. This can be done on the Kabbage website or app by navigating to the payment section. Step 2, link your business bank account. Now, once you're signed up, you're going to link your business bank account to Kabbage because this allows you to receive payments directly into your bank account. Step 3, set up your payment preferences. Now, Kabbage allows you to customize how you receive payments. Choose whether you want to accept credit cards, ACH payments, or if you have other methods. You can also set up payment terms like due dates and any late fees. Step 4, generate a payment link. Now, to start accepting payments, you got to create a payment link or invoice within Kabbage payment dashboard. You can send this link directly to your customers through emails, SMS, or even integrate it into your website. Step 5, accept payments. Now, once your customer clicks the payment link, they're going to be prompted to enter their payment details. And when the payment is processed, the funds will be transferred directly to your linked business bank account. Step 6, confirm payment. Now, Kabbage will notify you once the payment has been received. You can view all payment activities and payment histories in the Kabbage dashboard. And that's how you accept payments using Kabbage payment. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.